So, Vinny, how are you using the walkie-talkie?
What?
Smudge sticks.
Is it? Are you? I don't think there's a human on Earth. I don't think there's a person that's alive on Earth right now. A meter is I don't know. 1 yard is 3 feet. 2.2 pounds is 1 kilogram. And a meter is exactly, I don't know. How come you're only good when we bet? When I stop pretending. Okay, this is a draft. This is the latest draft. Hey, I want to try something. Can everyone at exactly 3 p.m. Pacific time Monday all collectively pray for me and send positive thoughts to me? I want to see if I feel good or something when it happens. You know what I mean? Like everybody at like exactly 3 p.m. It's just like everyone just like prays and like says like, oh my God, like Jerma, like we all like love you. And like, I want to see if I like feel all right. You know what I mean? Like I was going to sit there and be like, do I feel any different? Is it going to take me out of the game? I don't know what that means, but whatever. Jesus Christ, dude. Film shuffler? Should I just do the shuffler? Yeah, and then I'm gonna post this on Facebook. And it's gonna be like, oh, new CEO with like 2 crying, laughing faces. That's my truck, by the way. Like that's my business. Like I own me. I own the frog yogurt business. And like I take this photo and I say new CEO. It's literally the same exact eyes. Yeah. Hold on. Holy shit. Holy shit. I can't look at this anymore. It's like scary. Wow. They're actually the same fucking picture. Okay, well, let's go.
Only way to survive a falling elevator. Most people think you should jump right
That's what I
before
thought.
you hit the ground. However, it'll be difficult to jump while you're falling. And secondly,
I think that's
Oh, it's a whipped cream.
To sound?
yeah, I think that's a
Thing?
parabolic microphone.
Ah.
Hey guys. Oh, I love whipped cream. That joke was awful. That was not even funny. I don't have it today.
If I ever had it, I certainly don't have it today either.
We have to understand something. I just did the I'm turning the thing upside down and eating it at like 3 o'clock in the morning out of the fridge. That was the humor there.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Okay, so we should probably spread our equipment thin here based on what we have. Like, no, we shouldn't have like 4 EMFs like divided between us. We only need like 2. We need to get the ghost to blow out a candle, prevent the ghost from hunting with a crucifix, and clear the area near the ghost using smudge sticks. So
I paid for bots on my account. I'm gonna get fucking thrown off this. La la. The dogs drive cars? Is there a dog driving this car? Holy shit! Oh my god! Ow. Posted to dog net. Right before I got run over. Oh. That's a huge stick. Wow. No, watch out, watch out. That is the biggest stick I've ever seen. Nice job. Heisenberg. I guess I could go over here. This is the back. But this. Ah! Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Holy shit, that was like the worst thing that ever happened to me. That was actually the worst thing that's ever happened to me, like my whole life. And they're gonna put their back against the wall, and they're gonna be fucking terrified, and I mean, just very slow. And I'll be like, you do too, right? Like, see? Kinetic energy. That was insane.
Hey, Jerma, are you there?
Oh my god. I thought that was in the game. I thought that was in the game. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
Jerma.
Photo. This photo looks like absolute dog shit. This photo is a fucking award winner. This photo again, terrible. This photo, award winning. I'm sorry I swore in front of you. I'm sorry, you two.